We are all familiar with the sound of a fire alarm and that uneasy feeling it evokes, not knowing if there's actual danger and you need to get out of that building quickly, or someone has accidentally burned toast in the kitchen again. Either way, you're going to react to ensure your safety. The pain-sensing systems in our bodies sometimes act similarly, unable to distinguish between actual tissue damage and other non-dangerous sensations, sending signals of pain to the brain regardless, as a protective mechanism. Irritable bowel syndrome and inflammatory bowel disease are two conditions of the gut, which together affect over 1 million people in Ireland. What intrigues me most about these conditions is that people with them can experience pain even in the absence of any detectable damage in their gut. Unfortunately, though, the reasons underlying this form of unhelpful pain are not very well understood, which also means they are very difficult to treat effectively. One potential reason for this form of pain is that the gut has become oversensitive to harmless sensations, such as stretch and pressure. But why has the gut become oversensitive? Well, that's where my research comes in. I aim to decode this oversensitive alarm system that operates between the gut and the brain. Now, anyone who has ever felt nervous and has felt butterflies in their tummy, exhibit A up here, understand that the gut and brain are highly interconnected. Physically, they are connected by nerves and blood vessels. My research group are really interested in chemicals made in these nerves called endocannabinoids. These are the body's own cannabis-like chemicals. They act like master regulators of this pain alarm system, working to ensure that false alarm pain signals do not sound. However, in people with pain, particularly long-term pain, these endocannabinoids cannot fulfill their role as effectively. The result? An increased activity of the pain alarm. We are also very interested in gut microbes, the trillions of bacteria that live in your gut. Now, generally, they have a protective role there. However, in disease, the bad bacteria can start to overpower the good bacteria, which has also been associated with an increased activity of the pain alarm. My work aims to contribute to knowledge in this area. To do this, I'm going to study both people with gut pain and without gut pain. This will allow me to compare the two groups to see what is specific to those with gut pain. I will take samples of their blood to look for differences in endocannabinoids, samples of their stool, of their poop, to look for differences in their gut microbes, and I will also assess their levels of pain using various physical tests and questionnaires. I will use the information I gather to help me understand the relationships that exist between endocannabinoids, gut microbes, and painful gut conditions. This knowledge will pave the way for the development of new and improved treatments that target the endocannabinoids and gut microbes, restoring them to their former glory as master regulators that prevent false alarm gut pain signals. Thank you very much for listening.